Hi, I'm Camelia from Calcedonia Sewing. Thank you so much for stopping by on my channel. On this channel you'll find all kind of sewing related videos, from fabric and buying fabric to patterns, sewing patterns magazines. I love Burda, Knip Mode and Patrones magazine, so I'm sewing, these are my main sewing sources, sewing pattern sources. So you'll find here a lot of patterns from sewing magazines. You also find, I always make almost always a fitting garment, a muslin. So I'll put those videos too, that you can see what are the adjustments I'm making, and that what are my solutions on those on the fitting problems I have. Also, I'm going to talk in my videos about the finished project, because this is something you all want to see, and I hope you'll enjoy them. If you like, do subscribe, and don't forget to say hi, put your comments under the videos and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you so much for taking a moment to stop by, and I hope to hear from you. Thank you!